All right, y'all, check it out. Check it out. Check it out. So I've been putting off doing this video, right, because I haven't had the right equipment, or I haven't had what I needed, or 50 other million excuses as to why I haven't done this video. And then today it hit me. You know, when you believe in God and you believe that good things will happen, and when things don't happen the way you want them to happen, like, life starts to suck. And today it got to me because I keep thinking, why am I in this rut? Why am I going through what I'm going through? Okay, what you're looking at right now is something I started over a year ago. This is my business. This is my baby. This right here is my pride and joy. This is what's going to change my future and give my son a future. You see, I've been in the transportation business for 15 years now. And when I started in this business, I told my mother that I was going to work for 6 months, and I was quitting. I wouldn't get no another job right now. I was going to go to school. And life didn't happen that way because, well, 14 and a half years ago, I should have quit. But here I am, still in the same business. So now I have given up my supervisor position. I'm barely on as part-time right now, and I want to do something different with my life. I want to start over. I want to do what makes me happy. I want to do what makes me tick. And this is it. And this is the reason I've been so down and so lonely and so upset and don't want to know what's going on, because, you know, I'm not doing what makes me happy. This is my life right here. This is it. This is what I want to do. Let me tell you a little bit about what this is, what you're looking at. First and foremost, transportation is something that we're always going to have, no matter what. You have to have some form of transportation, whether it's personal or public. And I've been working in public transportation for years now. And this is what I've taken 15 years of learning things and picking up on tips and understanding the business. And I'm turning it into my own business. You see this right here? I'm going to create the world's first public transport. I don't know what I'm going to create. It's going to be awesome. Whatever it is. You see, I'm going to teach you rules and regulations, and I'm going to give it to you in an upbeat way. You know, it's like when you're sitting at the light and you don't know which one of them little arrows mean go, which one means stop, which one means you can turn when you can't turn, but the other traffic got to stop. I'm going to teach you all those cool things, but I'm going to bring it to you in a way that you can relate. And I'm going to start off by doing that, by introducing you to today something I like to call the safety zone. Confidence Drivers. That's who it's made by. Made by Confidence Drivers. That's my business. You see, I'm going to teach you to be confident in your driving. This right here, what you're looking on, is called the safety zone. This is the first package I've designed for commercial drivers. Commercial drivers, no matter what you do. This particular one has been designed for school bus safety, but we can do milk trucks, dump trucks, belly trucks, all kind of trucks, because commercial driving will always be out there. You always have to get your kids to and from school. You're always going to have to get milk and furniture delivered and everything. So it's very important to know the rules and regulations of the roadway. Give you helpful tips. Keep you going. This right here is the safety zone. This is going to be a package that the big corporate offices are going to want to get their hands on. Like, this baby going to be going like hotcakes. Because right here is what you get. I'm going to give you rules to remember. You're going to be able to teach your employees in a way that they can relate. Check out the colors when you think about it. Look at it. Does that remind you of anything? Give them helpful tips. Upcoming events. Oh, the safety meeting? Yeah, you coming to the safety meeting. And community. Driving out child abuse. It's something I started a year ago, and the drivers love it. And it's crazy because today somebody asked me, "Hey Trina, when are we going to do the driving out child abuse again?" I don't know, guys. I guess we'll see. Listen, I've also created the world's first safety team building board game. Huh? That sounds like some fun, don't it? It's called Let's Roll. It'll teach you rules, regulations, tips. It'll give you all kinds of do's and don'ts of the job. And it's going to be able to be brought to you in a fun way that you can relate to. This is going to bring people together like nobody's business. Also, traffic tips and fines. You want to know what you can do, what you can't do, and how much it's going to cost me when I do what I ain't supposed to do. The next thing, right here, this is my heart. It's radio voiceover equipment. I love to change up my voices and do different things. And I want to be able to give out cool safety messages. I've done several commercials. I've done now hiring. I've done recruiting. I've done all kinds of cool things. And it's just part of the package. You buy this package, you get this package for free. Because that's a whole different other package. But this is my life, guys. This is what I want to do. I want to get my business onto Shark Tank. And I want to change the world. Because this right here is what we need to change the world. You got to get people to things. You got to bring the stuff to them in a way that they can relate. I've done different safety videos and safety messages and people love it. And now I want to share it with the world. This is what I got to do. But I've been so stuck in my rut that I haven't done it. And I just want to be able to get some help and get started and get it out there, because this is going to change my future. This is it right here. This is what you're seeing. You're seeing for the first time ever. The next time you see this baby boy, we're going to be in the bright lights, because this right here is going to change it. If you guys are commercial drivers or even just drivers, period, and you want to get your hands on some cool stuff, give me a holler. This is going to change the world. I need y'all to help me share my video. Help me get it out there so that way I can get the Shark Tank. I know you're probably thinking, that don't look like an office. And it's not. It's my office for now. But it's my mama's garage. Yeah, I've been here for a little bit too long. And I'm ready to change my life. And I need your help, family. Help me share my message and get it out there, because I got to make it to Shark Tank. All right? I love you guys. I'm going to try to get my face in the picture. I don't know how it's going to work. Confidence Drivers, right here where it's at. Thanks, guys.